Have you ever wondered what happens inside a cell? It's a world teeming with activity, a bustling metropolis on a microscopic scale. Today we'll embark on an extraordinary journey into this world, exploring the unique inhabitants of two distinct cellular kingdoms, the minimalist prokaryotes and the flamboyant eukaryotes. Prokaryotes, akin to the minimalists of our world, opt for simplicity. Imagine them as tiny, efficient studio apartments, equipped with just the essentials. They house their DNA in a plasmid, a little ring-like structure that holds all the instructions needed for the cell's functions. Ribosomes, the cell's little mechanics, use these instructions to build everything the cell needs. The cell membrane, a protective barrier, keeps everything in place, while the cytoplasm ensures smooth movement within the cell. Some prokaryotes, like bacteria, even have one or even two cell walls, but we'll save that topic for another day. Now let's contrast our simple prokaryotic friends with the divas of the cellular world, the eukaryotes. These cells are like luxurious mansions, each boasting a lineup of organelles that make them stand out. The cell membrane acts as the security detail, the bouncer deciding who gets into the party. In animal cells, it's the red velvet rope surrounding the bustling dance floor of the cytoplasm. For plant cells, there's an extra layer of security, the cell wall, the brick and mortar outer layer providing structure and support. The nucleus, akin to the control room, houses the cell's genetic blueprint, DNA. Tucked away within this control room is the nucleolus, the overseer of ribosome production, the cell's diligent workforce. These ribosomes decode the instructions from the DNA, constructing proteins according to the blueprints. The endoplasmic reticulum is the cell's highway system. The rough part finishes the protein assembly, while the smooth part handles lipids. It's easy to remember. The rough part is covered with ribosomes, giving it a bumpy look, and the lipid center is smooth as butter. Then we have the mitochondria, the cell's power plants, converting glucose into usable energy. In plant cells, there are chloroplasts, which are like solar panels, converting sunlight into food molecules like glucose. It's an amazing process, sunlight to sugar. Don't forget the Golgi apparatus, the cell's packaging and shipping center. It ensures proteins and other cellular products reach their destinations. Vesicles akin to delivery trucks transport materials throughout the cell. Vacuoles are the cell's storage units. In animal cells, they're small and scattered, but in plant cells, there's a massive central vacuole, acting as a reservoir for water and nutrients. Lastly, we have the lysosomes, the cell's cleanup crew. They recycle waste and old cell parts, keeping the cell clean and efficient, much like a microscopic Lysol spray. Plant cells have a few exclusive organelles, chloroplasts, the central vacuole, and the cell wall. These provide energy, storage, and structure respectively, making plant cells unique. In both plant and animal cells, we find the cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, vesicles, and lysosomes. These are the all-stars, working harmoniously to keep the cellular show running smoothly. So, there you have it, the star-studded cast of organelles that make up the cellular blockbuster. If you've enjoyed this journey, remember to share the love of science with your peers. Until next time, keep exploring and keep asking questions. The world of science is always ready to reveal its secrets.